Whenever we used to go to a movie in theater, we used to eat popcorns. We know how to eat popcorns. Ever we know how does popcorns pop? So let's see. Corns are of three types. First of all, field corn, and then sweet corn and popcorn. Now, from field corn we extract corn flour, and from sweet corn we get grilled corn, and from raw popcorn is made. Now we will take 1 grain of popcorn. Now it has an outer layer which is known as pericarp, and it also has starch content in it, which also have some amount of H2O. Now when we heat it, now the water inside the pericarp now gets turned into steam and exerts pressure on the walls of the pericarp. Now at a time it gets burst off. The pericarp is burst. Now the starch comes out and gets low its temperature when it reacts with atmospheric temperature. Now so that what we get as popcorn. Thank you.